Man, is it hard to be making these mod packs? I'm not even sure if I'm putting stuff in right. Wait, there's a solution for this. Let's try to make a mod pack using Prism. I think this will make it easier. Before we start, you'll have to install Prism. I have another video on that, so make sure to check out the iCards or the description to get that. But let's look at how to create what Prism calls an instance. So to create an instance in Prism, you'll click the Add Instance button. You can go to Modrinth, you can do FTB or Technic or CurseForge. All of these places will allow you to search for various mods. So, for instance, this is a mod pack with my mods in it. If you want to make something custom, you'll have to go to this custom button. Now, you'll look at this, you'll pick your Minecraft version, which you'll note that the star is always beside the one with the latest version. And then you'll click on whatever mod loader you want down here. We're gonna be using Fabric today. And again, pick that Fabric version. Latest will work for most use cases. If you do need to look, make sure to check online for which version matches to your Minecraft version. When you're done there, you can go ahead and enter a name here. I'll go ahead and enter the name Tutorial and click OK. And then you'll be returned to the main screen. Next, we're gonna add mods to the tutorial pack. So click on the edit button, and when you click on the edit button, you'll get right here. To add mods, you'll click on the mods button, and usually there will be all of your mods listed right here. But if you want to download a mod, you'll click download mods, and this screen will appear. Similar to how you would look at the mod packs, you can download from Modrinth or CurseForge. For example, for a Fabric one, you'll almost always select the Fabric API. You can click on select mod for download, and you can also install in one go mods from different locations. So for instance, I can search for a mod on CurseForge and it'll be up right there. Select mod for download. And once you're done, click review and confirm. It'll list all the mods that you wanted to install, including some version info, what the file is, where it's coming from, things like that. Click OK, and your mods will be installed just like that. And of course, if you're trying to do a little bit more, you're trying to make a really special mod pack, you can go to the shaders area and add shaders. It's just like adding in shaders from other platforms. You can just scroll through, or you can search for the specific one you want on either Modrinth or CurseForge. And then you would go and do the review confirm, same thing. And similarly with resource packs, so we can search up for redstone tweaks. We can click select resource pack for download, and then review and confirm, and it'll give us the information, and then that would be downloaded. And then when you're done, all you gotta do is click launch, and you will get it loading up in Minecraft with the mods you selected. Of course, you're gonna want to change this icon. This guy's kind of ugly, so we might swap him up. To do that, you'll have to be on the main screen, right click the mod pack that you're working with, click change icon, and you can select from any of these. You can, of course, click on the add icon button, and that'll allow you to search through your system. That'll allow you to pick a PNG file or other files. From there, I've already added the icon I want to work with, and so we'll click OK on that guy, and there we go. We have our tutorial mod pack ready to go, but next you have to give that to your friends. So to do that, you'll want to start exporting. So you can either right click and go to export here, or you can click on this box here. You'll get 4 different options. The mods list is just a list of the mods, so that would be for someone to go and manually build the mod pack. For the Prism Launcher, this is specific to Prism. I don't think it works with other systems, but it does allow for easy transfer because, for instance, with Modrinth and CurseForge, they are a little picky about which mods are available on their system. Luckily, you can add direct jars, and they'll just scan those before you upload. So you can click on Modrinth, and it'll output the impact. If you do need to change the name, you can change it here. So for instance, I don't like tutorial, we'll do super pack, right? And just call it that. We can set our version number. That might not be super important for you, and you can create a summary. The important part is, if you're sharing this with friends, I don't suggest you have the config selected. You only need the core mods and the mods folders. Everything else is just instance data. If you did want to, for instance, make one with a world inside of it, you can include the saves file right here, but it's not super important. Once you're done with that, you can select OK, and you can save the mod pack off. We can go back and do the same exact thing, selecting CurseForge, and you'll notice same exact set of information. It even keeps the name that you changed it to. when you export. That way you can have this set up to be uploaded to both CurseForge and Modrinth super easy in one go. So Prism is really interesting, and it's a really good tool if you want to make mod packs to share with your friends. Of course, there are other ways to do this. For example, PackWiz is a command line tool if you're really wanting to make a version controlled mod pack. So if you're a developer and interested in that, or if you have any questions, leave them in the comments down below. Check out my Discord, and of course, I'll be making a few more Prism tutorials, so make sure to subscribe for a little bit more, as well as some future Minecraft content. Without further ado, this is Negative Light signing out, and God bless y'all.